This video will share with you that the stay experience at Sheraton in Sydney. Very great location for Mardi Gras. Also from the airport, there's a St. James station, just a 1 minute walk away from the station. Here it is. So I will share with you that my room, the club lounge, and then the facility and everything that I think you should know to stay in this hotel. The staff is very helpful to help me to carry out my baggage. And then over here to check. Jack is the one to check me in. I try to tell everyone I would like to check in at the lounge, but they asked me to check in here. Check-in is quite fast, and then I used my upgrade award to upgrade to a beautiful suite. Let me show you the suite. Quite impressive suite. Amazing view. So let me show you where is my suite room. So I'm right over here, just right opposite the escalator. the elevator. If I got the room right over here, it would be amazing. There's a room with balcony. So oh yeah, one thing I like this thing is like this is the door locks. It's quite cool design. Here's my suite. Here's a working desk. The working desk is a very old school, Australian power plug. I hope that they have a universal power plug. It will be helpful. Then mini bar is right over here. It's all chargeable. Then the coffee machine with 2 capsules. English breakfast, green tea, Earl Grey, and sugar. That's a lot of sugar. And the instant coffee. Then fully stocked mini the fridge right over here. I like this indicator. Usually I will find that where is the one to open the fridge. And okay, it cannot be opened. So the TV is also kind of like an old TV, not really a smart TV. Then very spacious place to hang out. I can invite like about 10 people in my room. Little mirror right over there. And then check out the view. It's beautiful. It's so calm to just enjoy the view here. I wake up in the morning and then enjoy the coffee. Oh yeah, so as a Marriott Bonvoy guest Platinum, you can choose 1000 point or breakfast, but I will just choose the point, and then my room is not included with the breakfast. I can go to the club lounge to have my breakfast, so I will show you the breakfast in the club lounge only. So let's go to my room. Bedroom. Lovely that they have this universal travel adapter, and then all the switches are here. 2 USB port. Day bed. That is a room that I would say is very cool. They have a small little balcony. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. 5 of the room had a balcony. Then TV here. Also very old types of the TV you can see from the remote control. A little bit soft, not really that soft. So 4 bottles of drinking water, 2 USB port, 2 power plug over here, and the switches. Then let's go to the closet. Over here you have 2 bathrobe and steam iron and ironing board. Then here is perfectly high decks that you can leave your luggage open and then collect your thing. I like this idea to lift up the height. Then here's a safe. Quite a decent size. Then slipper, shoe shine, a laundry bag. Then here's my bathroom. Very basic. So bathtub right over here, no TV. Then basin is only 1 person. Usually a suite room will have like 2 basins, but this one only have 1. You have the mouthwash, the shaving kit, the toothbrush, lotion, sanitary bag, and shower cap, and what is behind, and vanity kit. Then the power plug here for the hair dryer and the shaver. Then here is a soap bar. The shampoo is the hair dryer is here. The bag is super dusty, but once I take out the hairdryer just now, it's like the dust is like floating everywhere. But this is a very good hairdryer. The weighing scale, toilet bowl, you can check your grooming when you poo poo. And here is a shower with the standard shampoo, hair conditioner, and body wash from Sheraton. Okay, so I will wait for Sean to arrive around 6 p.m. later. The room is really dry. After a shower, I can feel that my skin is like very tight now. I'm very lucky that I have my humidifier with me. So I'm gonna do the bed test for you now, and the pillow test. Oh, this is the bed that I like. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, when I jump, I don't really see much dust, but I'm having a little bit of sinus because of the back of the hairdryer. So it's a bouncy bed. You can see that when I move, when I bounce, like the whole bed is like bouncing. I'm wearing the bathrobe. It's really comfortable. And let's try the pillow first. Oh, this is a pillow that I like. Okay. So this is a pillow that I don't like. It's like quite kind of useless thing. The bed sheet is a little bit rough, but the blanket is slightly smoother. Hey, hang on. It's about the same texture. So yeah, so this is the bed from the Sheraton Sydney. Here is a club lounge. It's afternoon at 1 p.m. now. So the all-day refreshments is like this. And I believe that the happy hour will be right over here. I can smell the coffee very nice over here. Let me grab some coffee first. Then I'll go for lunch. The coffee has option like this: hot chocolate, mocha, flat white, macchiato, long black. I'm going to happy hour now. Before I go to happy hour, there's a welcome gift: chocolate and the bottles of Shiraz. The packaging looks very nice. I am starving. Sean is still not here yet, so I'm going to the lounge without him first. Here is the breakfast area now. Let's see what we can get for breakfast. Everything looks really... Oh, passion fruit, my favorite. And then hot food. Let's see. Sausages, bacon. Breakfast looks good. Okay, let us get a seat and head out later. It's raining now, so hopefully that it'll be fine today. Here is a swimming pool. It's warm water. It's very nice. And I think at the back there's a little jacuzzi. Okay,